Dollar yen daily forecast December 18th, fxempire.com. The dollar yen pair gapped over the weekend, as you can see, as it was announced that the opposition party in Japan, the LDP, had won what is known as a supermajority, meaning in the lower house, meaning that they could bypass the upper house in parliament and essentially push things through that they want. Because of this, the yen weakened appreciably at the open as the leader of the LDP, Mr. Shinzo Abe, a former prime minister, has stated more than once his desire to weaken the value of the yen and has even suggested that perhaps legislation would be brought forward to change the mandate of the Bank of Japan in order to uh, carry out things like a inflation target from 2 to 3%, and a more substantiated and sustained yen weakening policy. Because of this, the Bank of Japan will be under tremendous pressure to do something, and the markets read this as yen weakness coming. We got the gap, we pulled back, we did bounce a bit, and we formed a hammer like candle. The gap's been filled. Now the real question is, can we go higher? If we break the highs from the Monday session, we think this market goes much higher. It'll have a couple stops along the way. We believe 86, for example, is an area that um, we may see some action, profit taking, and such at. However, we feel strongly that this is probably going to be a longer term buy and hold type of pair. And we do expect to see as high as the 100 handle, maybe even 110 before this move's all said and done. It seems like an extremely high um, outlook, but having said that, when you look at the entirety of the move down, and most of you were probably not trading when the meltdown started. At one point in time, and it wasn't that long ago, we were at about 125, if memory serves me correct. So, having said that, a wicked bounce like this really wouldn't be that surprising. Plus, if the Japanese can get it under control, if you look back through history, there's been a couple times where this has happened, and the pair just exploded to the upside. So we think we may be witnessing that now. 84 has been crucial in our mind for a while. The next couple sessions really could set the tone for the entirety of 2013.